Okay guys, what's going on? So I've just finished the workout that you're about to watch. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, haven't been posting on Instagram consistently for a while. And there's been multiple reasons why. So firstly, I had assignments to do at uni, which kind of took priority at the time because I hadn't organised myself well enough that I could do both equally. I left things a little bit too late and ended up having to dedicate a lot of time to my assignments at once. So that interrupted my training. I was getting close to the Christmas time, so my student loan was getting pretty low. So my food, I wasn't eating as well, and wasn't eating as much. Throughout all of this, I managed to keep my weight the same. My strength was the same as well. I wasn't making any progress, but I wasn't going backwards or anything. And then I think a combination of the stress from uni and the lack of food, the lack of sleep, the lack of training, all came together, and I ended up getting ill for about, well, over a week, which has really hit me hard, and haven't been eating anything. I've not trained at all, so I've lost about 9 pounds, which really is annoying. I went into the gym today for the first time back, just went through an absolute basic workout, and felt pretty weak at first, felt stronger near the end. I think it's one of those things that when you're ill, you always come back pretty quickly. I know it's 9 pounds, it seems like a lot, but I think it'll only take a week or two to get back that weight. And as far as strength, that should be back in no time. So I just want you to be aware that during this workout, my strength isn't what it usually is. I may not look as full or as big as usually do. I don't look very big usually anyway. But as you can tell, I'm still got kind of like a bit of a blocked nose and stuff, but it's nothing too serious. It's just a case of man flu, to be honest. But anyway, things are looking good at the moment. I'm excited for Christmas. 23rd of December today. We train chest and then a bit of traps and back. I filmed about 90% of the workout because I'm filming on my iPhone. I haven't got that much memory. I couldn't film every single set, but there'll be a lot of the workout in this video, and it's going to be a raw video today, so I'm not going to use any music. I'm not going to edit it in any kind of way. It's just going to be an opportunity for you guys to see how I actually train every single day, and I'm just going to compile all the footage and put it in order and let you guys watch. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you like this kind of video. Comment, let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe and like the video if you like the video. I'll catch you later.